has Forex been done so far, and how is it going to be done in the future? How is it going to change? Is it going to change, or what exactly is the vision here?
I think, to a large extent, Forex community has had a bad name to it, and that's because of, I think, to a large extent, a lot of online gambling people have come to the Forex industry. A lot of gaming people have come to the industry, and it's typically been a very low entry barrier, to be able to, put up, white label for the MT4 typically, which is the most, retail platform that's out there. It's a very easy access to the market. So what has happened is that, it doesn't take a lot of money to be able to enter the market. So I think, that's why to a large extent you've gotten a lot of bad characters that have come into the industry and given it the bad name. And, everything's a, CPA, they look at you as an MT4 number rather than actually a person, which is, everything's done through computer screens. You don't actually meet the person, you don't meet the person that you're actually doing business with, So I think that's why, to a large extent, people are very jaded in the Forex community. They're very skeptical because to be honest, a lot of brokers have taken advantage of, people with no knowledge about the industry or the markets, So I think that culture, has to change, if we are to, really become a mainstream culture. I think that culture needs to change, and I think really it's about bringing something new, new technology, for an example, to the market. It's about changing the culture of Forex, with good, like-minded people, uniting, and, such as the conference that we're creating, in May 7th. I think these all things are very important steps to be able to achieve that, because if there's no counterparty to, the Cyprus-based brokers or the Malta-based brokers, we will never be able to change the industry, because there's nobody standing up and saying, no, this is not right what you're doing to the clients,